What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of cool gadgets for survival on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 5. Guardian Gravity Purifier. The Guardian Gravity Purifier offers state-of-the-art virus protection in an easy-to-use, high-volume gravity system. Designed to deliver safe, clean water globally, this purifier is ideal for travelers, campers, and anyone needing reliable water purification on the go. Ultimate virus protection. The Guardian Gravity Purifier meets the rigorous NSF Protocol P248 military testing standard, ensuring it removes 99.99% of viruses, 99.9999% of bacteria, 99.9% of protozoa, as well as sediment and microplastics. This makes it highly effective against the most challenging water contaminants. Better tasting water. This two-stage purifier includes activated carbon, which helps to reduce chemicals and eliminate unpleasant tastes and odors, resulting in cleaner, better tasting water. Easy to fill. With a 10-liter reservoir, the Guardian is easy to fill at sinks and streams, providing ample water for drinking, cooking, and hygiene needs for multiple people at a time. Simple cleaning. Maintenance is straightforward with no backflushing required. Simply open the purge hose to flush the system and maintain the flow rate, ensuring the purifier remains effective and efficient. Fast flow rate. The Guardian Gravity Purifier offers a fast flow rate of up to 1 liter into minutes when the reservoir is hung at an optimal height of 6 feet. This is 2.5 times faster than the leading gravity purifiers, making it a quick and convenient option for obtaining clean water. Engineered for travel, built with rugged, military-grade construction, the Guardian is designed to withstand the rigors of travel. Its compact design fits easily into carry-on luggage and smaller backpacks, making it a convenient choice for travelers and adventurers. NSF P248 testing standard. The Guardian is the market's only purifier to pass the NSF P248 military testing standard for virus removal, the most rigorous scientific certification proving the device can safely remove claim. Number 4. GPSMAP 66i. The GPSMAP 66i by Garmin is a high-performance GPS handheld and satellite communicator designed for outdoor adventures. With a combination of precise navigation and global communication capabilities, this rugged device ensures you can explore with confidence and stay connected no matter where you are. Rugged and reliable, the GPSMAP 66i is built to withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring durability and reliability in any environment. Its button-operated interface makes it easy to use, even in challenging situations. Interactive SOS alerts. In an emergency, you can send interactive SOS alerts globally. This feature provides peace of mind, knowing help is always within reach. Two-way messaging. Stay connected with family and friends through two-way messaging, no matter where your adventures take you. This ensures you can communicate important information or simply check in with loved ones. Location tracking and sharing. Let others know your exact location with tracking and sharing capabilities. This feature is perfect for keeping loved ones informed of your whereabouts and ensuring your safety. Detailed topographic maps. Navigate confidently with preloaded topographic maps of the US and Canada. These maps offer detailed terrain information, helping you to plan your route and understand the landscape. Subscription-free maps. Enjoy detailed maps without the need for a subscription, saving you money and providing easy access to essential navigation information. Long battery life. The GPSMAP 66i boasts an impressive battery life, with up to 35 hours in tracking mode and up to 200 hours in expedition mode. This ensures you can stay out longer without worrying about losing power. The Garmin GPSMAP 66i is an essential tool for adventurers seeking reliable navigation and communication. Its rugged design, coupled with advanced features like interactive SOS alerts, two-way messaging, and detailed topographic maps, makes it an invaluable companion. Number 3. Outlery Portable and Reusable Stainless Steel Travel Cutlery Set. The Outlery Portable and Reusable Stainless Steel Travel Cutlery Set in raw silver is an innovative solution for eco-conscious individuals who want a practical and sustainable alternative to disposable cutlery. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this travel cutlery set is perfect for various outdoor activities and everyday use. Compact and portable, the Outlery cutlery set is pocket-sized, measuring only 8.1 centimeters x 6.4 centimeters 3.2 x to 0.5 inches when packed in its travel case. Number 2, Lockhart Tactical 1-GA Status Gen 2. The Lockhart Tactical 1-GA Status Gen2 is a cutting-edge Sentry tactical automatic trip alarm system designed to enhance security and situational awareness in various scenarios. Whether you're camping, hiking, boating, or protecting your property, the Status offers reliable and versatile solutions. Versatile deployment. The Status can be deployed both as a trip alarm and manually. It's compact enough to fit in small pockets and can be quickly deployed to fire emergency flares or bear bangers, making it a versatile tool for various emergency situations. Emergency deployment. To prepare the Status for emergency use, simply insert a compatible flare or bear banger, point it away from your body, and pull down on the attached pull ring. Once the launching spring is fully compressed, release the ring, and the Status will activate automatically. Tripwire deployment. For setting up a perimeter, ensure the Status is unloaded. Connect the tripwire at the appropriate height to detect the presence of animals or intruders. The device can be oriented to fire upwards for flares or downwards for blanks, depending on the situation. Pull on the pull ring, insert the trip pin into the desired strength hole, and then load the flare or blank. Camping. Ensure your campsite is secure and receive instant alerts if there are any breaches in your perimeter. Hiking. In case of getting lost or injured, launch a signaling flare to call for help. If a large predator is nearby, fire a bear banger to scare it off. Boating. Safely fire signaling flares when needed to signal for help or alert others to your presence. Training. Airsoft. Use 209 primers to create a loud bang when players trigger the trip wires, enhancing the realism of training exercises or airsoft games. Varmint control. Garden protection. A less lethal method to deter big game from encroaching on your property. Property invasion. Keep animals or intruders from accessing areas. Number 1, SOG Multi-Tool Belt Buckle. The SOG Multi-Tool Belt Buckle, Sync 2 is an innovative and practical gadget designed for the modern man. Combining style with functionality, this EDC tool integrates seamlessly into your daily attire, providing a versatile solution for various tasks. Tactical Belt Buckle Multi-Tools, crafted from durable 5CR15M OV stainless steel. This compact multi-tool includes a variety of essential tools such as pliers, a survival knife, and more. Ideal for men who appreciate practical and cool gadgets. Compact and versatile, measuring just 3.1 inches, this mini multi-tool fits belts up to 1 3/4 inches wide. It features a straight blade, gripper, crimpers, screwdrivers, file, ruler, scissors, and wire cutter, making it perfect for camping, fishing, and everyday use. Wearable and discreet, the SOG Sync 2 can be worn as a belt buckle, allowing easy access to your tools without drawing attention. The multi-tool knife and kit are designed for quick access without engaging the pliers. Secure and reliable, this multi-tool locks securely into place when not in use, ensuring it stays put. It's an excellent travel, fishing, and scout gadget, making it a perfect gift for men who have everything. Lifetime guarantee, SOG stands by its products, offering repairs and replacements for properly maintained gear, ensuring your multi-tool remains reliable for life. The SOG Multi-Tool Belt Buckle, Sync 2 is an essential gadget for any man looking for a compact, wearable, and functional tool. Its robust design, combined with a variety of tools, makes it a versatile addition to your EDC kit. Whether you're camping, fishing, or just tackling daily tasks, this multi-tool is designed to meet your needs with style and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.